this is the same topic, but this is only difference between this question and yesterday's question is that yesterday when we have done the stem and leaf like only for the single data. Okay, we just made the diagram like this, stem and leaf, and just plotted the values in that and solved the question. But if we look at the today's question, that is the question number 3, you can see the data given for the girls and for the boys. And in the book, they gave you even the diagram, and diagram has the 2 parts. Here is a stem, which the numbers are written from 16 to 21 because the minimum number is 16 and the maximum is something with the 21. And the key point is already labeled in the question that the key is 19 and 3 means 19.3 centimeter. For this is the key for the boys, and for the girls it is given that if it is written 4 to this side and 17 to this side, that also means 17.4. That also means 17.4. So let's start plotting the data. I'm just looking at the boys data first of all. Fine. The boys is 17.7. So 17 here and 7 will be here. Fine. The next number 21.0. So 21 here and 0 here. The second one is 21.9. I can write 9 here because 21 is already here. 18.2. 18 and 2. 23.1. Then we have up to 23.1. Then after that, 22.2. 22.2. Then 18.8. 18.2 we've had before, now 18.8. The next is 22.7. 22.7. 17.5. 17.5 I will write before 7 because we have to arrange it. Then 19.3. This is your data. Total how many values are there? The total values we have are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10. We can even count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we plotted all. Now come to the girls' data. The girls' data is, it is written 17.4 at the beginning. So 17.4 means you can say that the 17 here and the 4 must be here. Clear? Then 19.4. 19 here and 4 I can write here. Then 18.8. 18 here and 8 is here. 16.7. 16 here and 7 here. 16.1. It is nearest to that. 21.0. So 0 is here. 19.3. So 3 I will write here. 16.5. 5 I will write here. 20.8. 20.8. So it is here. And then 18.5. So I can write the data here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The data plotted on the both sides according to the key I plotted. Clear? For the boys, they said that if it is written 19 and 3, it means 19.3. So we entered the data towards that side. But for the girls, it is mentioned that if it is written 4 here and 17 here, it means 17.4, that you have to read it backward. Fine, bache. So now for the boys, you can see that we moved from the left to right. But here we moved from right to left. Okay. So the B part of the question is, what are the median hand spans for both girls and boys? We have to find out what? We have to find out the median. Median. The total data is 10. So 10 is even number or odd number?
Even.
Even number. So even number formula is n over 2, that value, and n over 2 plus 1 and that value in the data. If I'm writing over here, my n is 10. So 10 over 2, that value in the data, and 10 over 2 plus 1, that value in the data. This is the fifth value in the data. and this is 5 plus 1. So this is the sixth value in the data. Clear, bache? So what if I am talking about the median for the girls? This is my median for the girls. Median for the girls, if I want to find out, so my fifth value, I have to see in arranged data, fifth value. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is my fifth value. That is 18.5, and the sixth value is 18.8. Clear? So I can write over here, my median for the girls, my fifth value is this one, and my sixth value is this one in the data. I will write it as 18.5 plus 18.8 and divided by 2. I will get the answer for the median, that is 18.65. Now, if I want to find out the median for the boys, median for boys. So beta, if I want to find out the median for the boys, my data is this one, least to greater, arranged already. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my fifth value and this is my sixth value. Clear? So my fifth value is 19.3 and my sixth value is 21.0 and divided by 2. And final answer, if I'm going to add them and take the divided by 2, means I'm taking the average of them. So that is 20.15. Fine. In this question, you have to find out the median for the girls separate and for the boys separate. But to finding for them separate girls and for separate boys, the main important point is that how you can find that which value will be the median. Because the data was the even data, so for the even data, what we have to do, that we will write this formula. And remember, bache, the formula over here is n over 2 and n over 2 plus 1. That two values you have to take. So my values are coming fifth value and the sixth value in the data. I will take these both values from the data. In girls, these two values, and in boys, this value and this value you have to take and add them and take the average. So the next part of the question is, for the same question, that you have to find out the range of for the boys and for the girls. First of all, I am finding the range for the boys. Boys data. As you know, the formula for the range is xm minus x naught. When you are going to substitute the values, xm is a maximum value. If I check the boys data, my maximum value is this one. Which one is 23.1, and x naught is this value, which is the least one, 17.5. 23.1 minus 17.5. 23.1 and minus 17.5. If I subtract, my answer is 5.6. And if I want to find out the range for the girls, so now you have to go to the girls column, range for the girls, and that is equal to girls range is xm minus x naught again. And you have to write xm minus x naught, and the values will be xm is this maximum value, which one is 21.0, and the x naught is this value, which is 16.1. 16.1. So final answer for this is 4.9.